Okay, so I'm gonna show you my character. Roger, look at my character. Look at my character. That's cool, right?
Yeah.
That's cool, right? No! I'm not changing the hair.
To use the pages. Action.
Okay, can you help me then?
So first thing you'd actually do is right now you made your path just using the terrain tool, right? The paintbrush. What you really want to do.
Because I made that extra part just in case like, somebody tries to so if racers go off, it's gonna be me.
It's gonna be Prince of Danger.
Okay. So what you're gonna want to do.
Just say Prince Timothy.
We're gonna take the path tool
It's that simple.
and you're gonna click
Okay, then what's
and
your
make
Roblox
these
account?
markers. Okay. So if you have a straight stretch, you can go all the way down that straight stretch.
No, Prince.
Otherwise, you're just gonna.
National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Oklahoma County and central Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County and central Oklahoma until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado 6 miles southeast of El Reno. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving east at 40 miles an hour. This is a tornado emergency for Yukon, Richland, Wiley Post Airport, Bethany, and the village. Take immediate tornado precautions now. In addition to a tornado, dangerous and extremely large destructive hail up to softball size is expected with this storm. Locations impacted include El Reno, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, War Acres, and Richland. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. If you cannot get underground, go to a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building now. Take cover now in a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building. Stay away from doors and windows. Do not stop under bridges or highway overpasses. They will not protect you from a tornado.